What's up, guys? Welcome to another KOFFI NOIR unboxing. My name is Dieudonné Brew from KOFFI NOIR, and I'm super excited to share this new order that just came in. First things first, I do want to let you guys know that the KOFFI NOIR channel and the community is growing, and we would truly appreciate it if you like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any notifications when we post new KOFFI NOIR related content. Yeah, so before we get into the unboxing, I kind of want to talk about what I got on currently today. Again, as you guys know, I have been trying to do my due diligence in highlighting other Black-owned brands that I support. If you guys saw one of my last videos, I did an unboxing from Brims. As you see behind me, I always got this orange box on display, but this is one of their Brims, the Rotten Peach 2. It's become one of my favorite Brims, I must say. I think I've been wearing it all the time now, but this is one of my favorite Brims. Also, of course, I have a vintage 49ers jacket. This is a 1980s version of it. Found it on eBay for, I don't know, maybe like 40 bucks or something like that, but I thought it was cool. It's a nice piece. Plus, I'm a 49ers fan, so it fits with that. Also, the sweater, as you can see here, Honor Road. I don't know if you guys could tell who this is playing golf, but this is Joe Louis. Although he's a world champion boxer, he did play golf. Honor Road, and I'm also wearing a kerchief from Honor Road as well. And this brand is from one of my closest friends, also the creative director of KOFFI NOIR, Sir Michael Wayne Turner III. He wanted to do an accessory line of clothes, so there's going to be crew necks, accessories like rings and kerchiefs, things of that nature or whatnot. And I can't wait to see what he does with Honor Road. This sweater right here is a test sample. We're really just trying to get a lot of feedback and people's personal takes, like how they really feel, what's their feedback, what do they think about this concept of highlighting Black folks in a different light, doing different things other than what they're actually known for doing. Also, the timepiece I'm wearing from Talley and Twine. I don't know if you guys can see it. Gotta get up close. The focus. There you go. From Talley and Twine. Again, Black-owned watch company. It's super important to support our own. And I got a couple of timepieces from them. I'm actually going to order another watch or two from this. Where I really like their size of their watches and how functional they are, how easy it is to take on, put off, and things like that. And and of course, if you guys are worrying about my jewelry, this ring right here is from Kantanka Jewelers or whatnot. I really like his rings. I'm actually going to get another piece. And of course, this ring right here is from my cultural ethnic group, the Akan, the Ashanti people. So yeah, this is a scorpion. The Ashanti Hennies, they will wear different adornments of rings. They also symbolize a lot of things and have many meanings or whatnot. So this is just me adding some Ashanti Akan jewelry to my style or whatnot, because I'm always looking for ways to highlight and infuse my culture into my own personal style. Kind of want to talk about this particular order because this is the second shoe of one of our clients in North Carolina that he ordered. That's supposed to come in a pack or whatnot. I just received the shoe and I'm getting ready to send them both out, but I wanted to do something really quick and kind of show you guys how the shoes turned out. Again, this is an opportunity for me to share with you guys what we're doing here at KOFFI NOIR by providing a made-to-order footwear service where at the end of the day, you guys have access to some premium, high quality, luxury made shoes. Are made to last, they're built to last, they're handmade, and for the most part we pay really close attention to detail, and we want you to be able to don a pair of shoes that make you feel confident and truly be able to perform and be your best version of yourself. So without further ado, let's check this how these joints turned out. Got the gold element, Kofi Noir. Oh, I just took the lid. I don't even lift the whole box. Look at me. All right, let's pull these bad boys out right here. Boom. Look. Yes. Boom. So this is our Luke Double Monk in a medium brown cognac. I want you guys to see the details here. Goodyear welted, and it's on our more beveled last. I believe they call it a Seville, but it has that beveled. It's not actually square toe, but it's kind of bevels, as you guys can see at the top, comes down, comes at a short turn. You know, it's really nice, as you guys can see here. Have some light burnishing on here as well to give it that nice, smooth, elegant look. Also too, as you guys can see, we have a cognac sole, leather sole with a leather heel stack, of course. And this client opted for rubber injections. It's super dope because, you know, he's in North Carolina on the East Coast. The weather could be a little bit inclement, and he wanted to have a shoe that had, you know, some traction at the bottom for when he's out and about at work and handling business and things like that. So, you know, we gave him multiple options. You can choose a half rubber, half leather type of sole. You could do a full commando sole, a rubber sole, you name it, or you can opt for the rubber injections, which I think is really dope, and also allows you to kind of retain that elegance and that refinement of a shoe like this, you know, your Double Monk. Also too, the gold buckles, square buckles. We also have round buckles, by the way, but you know, he opted for the square buckles, which I think was a fantabulous, is that even a real word? A fantastic choice or whatnot. And yeah, this shoe turned out really, really, really good. Of course, you have the Nubia shoe trees. Yeah, and wow, let's check this other shoe out real quick. Make sure there aren't any defects or anything like that. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. They came out really, really good. Like, I can't wait for him to wear these shoes, you know, with his suit and or wherever, however he decides to style these. I can't wait to sort of see them on his feet and see what he comes up with. You know, at the end of the day, KOFFI NOIR, we really want folks to truly appreciate having a nice pair of shoes. It's worth the investment, and it unlocks your wardrobe in so many different ways. You know, it's super important that you have shoes like this, you know, in your closet. So yeah, again, leather sole with the rubber injections. Yeah, this is a nice shoe. And I'm gonna repeat again, our shoes are Goodyear welted. So as we tell all of our clients, you know, once the sole or the heel starts to weather or starts to become defect or whatnot, again, you can take them to your local shoe cobbler and whatnot and ask for your sole to be resoled. Also too, we're working on developing a service where you can send the shoes back to us and we have them resoled for you, even with the original thing that you ordered. As far as like if you ordered rubber injections or you wanted or you want a different type of sole to put on your shoe, we're working on making that a service as well, so that you can access that and, you know, be able to take care of your favorite pair of shoes from us. So again, that'll be all for our unboxing. You know, this is the Luke Double Monk custom for one of our clients in this medium brown cognac color. We think it's a very beautiful shoe, and yeah, I can't wait to see what he does with this. Again, if you're interested in purchasing a pair from KOFFI NOIR, just reach out to us at info@koffinoir.com. You can also visit our website at koffinoir.com. That's KOFFINOIR.com. And yeah, choose from, you know, the many types of shoes and selections that we have to offer. You know, if you want something custom, you can go ahead and check out our customization style curation service tab. And there you fill out a survey, give us a brief idea of your lifestyle, something that you're looking for. and things like that. And, you know, then we can set up a consultation and start that process of designing you a one-on-one custom made to order shoe. But with that being said, my name is Dieudonné Brew from KOFFI Noir, and you guys have a wonderful weekend. Peace.